Welcome back to my channel. This is Coin Code. I'm DMO. On this video, I'm going to show you a life-changing opportunity where you can make over $100,000 with a capital of $1,000. And I'm also going to show you a step-by-step guide on how you can get started without any issues. So make sure you watch this video to the very end and don't skip any part of this video because every minute of this video carries an important explanation you won't afford to miss. Now before I proceed, please use 2 seconds of your time to like this video and subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative and educative content like this, and make sure you turn on the bell icon so that you always get notified first anytime I drop this kind of mind-blowing updates. So now let's move. Now a few days ago I stumbled upon a project, Jade Protocol, and upon doing research on the project, what I saw was insane and epic. Over 112 million % APY, which is insane. Although this project just reduced from 5 billion % APY to 112 million % APY. Now let me give you an insight and explain what this project is. Jade Protocol is a fork of OlympusDAO, and the sweetest thing is that it is launched on the Binance Smart Chain network, which make all the fees very low and really encouraging to partake on. Now, the people behind Jade Protocol are also the people behind SmartCoin project, and the aim of this project is to offer 2 main options for users. One of the options is staking and the other one is bonding. Now, explaining Jade staking, the platform allows you to deposit the native token, where it gives out a token receipt that recalculates on every period of time. This is just saying that you put the native token, which is Jade, into the pool and you get reward in LP and the token itself based on the percentage APY. You are to lend your LP token to the platform to gain discount on the native token. This method also allows the platform to gain revenue from the LP reward to further the existence of the liquidity. And now if you check the price of Jade Protocol, you will notice that the current price now is over $440. And this project has a market capitalization of $141.6 million. Now take a look of something. The trading volume of this project for the last 24 hours is even bigger than the market capitalization itself. And if you check the total supply of this Jade Protocol, you will notice that it's just 408,000 Jade Protocol token, you understand, and have 316.3 thousand Jade Protocol as circulating supply. Don't forget that I'm going to show you a live proof of how you can buy this coin and how you can make passive income with this same coin on this same video. So make sure you keep watching and give the video a like. Now looking at the price chart of Jade Protocol, you will notice that the coin has gone up to $640 per coin, and as you can see, Jade Protocol is way down below its all-time high. One big unique thing is that Jade Protocol is backed up by Fairfork Foundation, which are collective and dedicated to ROI optimization of famous DeFi protocols. And this Jade Protocol cannot be minted or bought by anybody except the protocol itself. With all this information, it's really early to invest on this project, so make sure you don't sleep on this. Now the reason behind the pumping of this coin for the last few days is the announcement of money they will be giving away in form of APY and staking. Now as you can see, Jade Protocol welcomed over 9,300 new members for the last 24 hours. You can as well follow this project on Twitter and also follow me on Twitter at SimplyDMO. All I have to say is that this project is insane and massive. I think you don't sleep on this. Now let me show you how you can stake this Jade Protocol and start any passive income. But before I proceed, shout out to Baby Natch, Sports Trailer, Tick Trader and Motivational Mode. Thank you very much for your support, I really appreciate. Please note that I do a random shout out for all my subscribers, so make sure you are subscribed to get mentioned on my next video. You can as well join our Telegram community to get quick updates and engage with new members. And as well, give this video a like if you want me to be uploading this kind of content. So now let's move. Now staking Jade Protocol are of 2 ways, either from MetaMask or Trust Wallet. MetaMask are for people using computer, while Trust Wallet are for people using mobile phone. But I'm going to use Trust Wallet for the sake of this video. But don't forget the same process applies for laptop users, but in that case, MetaMask. Now when you come to the Jade Protocol official website, either with the link below or from CoinMarketCap, you will see your dashboard just like this, both for desktop version and mobile version. And when you click on menu and click on stake, you will see your earnings per day. You will see the API of the project, which is currently now 104 million % APY, and the total value locked is $200 million, which is insane. And now currently the price of one Jade coin is $442.43. Now don't forget that before you do anything on this Jade protocol, you need to connect your wallet first, which I will show you on this video. Now looking at your menu tab from your left, you will see how to buy Jade token, staking. You will also see the calculation for calculating your APY and profit. And below the calculator, you will see airdrops. So when you click on it, you will see different airdrops that is meant for new users, you understand. So once you register, you are going to get a chance to claim free airdrop. You will also see bond, vote, doc, and other things at which you can play around. Now with that being said, you just need to go to your trust wallet, since we got an insight from CoinMarketCap that we can buy this coin from Pancakeswap. So now you just need to buy it from Pancakeswap through trust wallet. Now when you try to enable the Jade Protocol token by searching for Jade Protocol, you will notice that it is not available on trust wallet. So you just need to click on this add custom token button. Then it will take you to this section for you to add a custom token. You are to add Jade Protocol contract address. So you just need to go back and go to your dApps and search for Jade Protocol BSC contract address. So after you search for Jade Protocol BSC contract address on your dApps, you click on search. Then you just need to wait for it to load up. So you just need to click on the first one on BSC scam. Then you scroll down. Then click on this copy icon on the contract address section. You copy it. Now back to this section for you to add a custom token. You just need to change the network from Ethereum to Smart Chain network. Then you just need to paste the contract address you copied. So you click on paste. And once you put the contract address, the remaining details like the name, the symbol, and the decimal will display automatically. So you just need to click on done. Now as you can see, this is the current price of Jade Protocol on CoinMarketCap. Now moving to how you can buy this Jade Protocol token from Pancakeswap through Trust Wallet. You will need a crypto pair at which you will swap from to get your Jade Protocol token. So in that case, we are going to use Smart Chain. So you have to send BNB, which is BSC, from any of your exchange to your Trust Wallet. So now as you can see, I'm already on my Binance wallet, so I'm going to click on withdraw because I'm going to withdraw to my Trust Wallet. Now on this section, I'm going to click on BNB because I'm going to withdraw BNB. Now on this section, the first step is to paste my wallet address. So I'll long tap, then paste. Once I paste it, the network will automatically display. So I'll click on maximum since I'm withdrawing everything. Then I'll click on withdraw, then wait for it to load up. You confirm it, and in few minutes it will reflect on your Trust Wallet, so you just got to wait for a few minutes. So now as you can see, the withdrawal was successful. Now the next thing to do is to go to your dApps. Now on your dApps, you just need to scroll down to the exchange section, then you click on Pancakeswap. You understand? Now on Pancakeswap, you will see your balance in BNB. Now the next thing to do is to click on this cake icon. You click on it. Now on this search bar, you are going to input the contract address you copied the last time. You understand? So you're going to click on paste. So once Jade token display, you just need to click on it. Now once you import it to your Pancakeswap, you just need to input the amount at which you want to buy. As for me, I'll be using my entire wallet to buy, so I'll click on max. And now as you can see, the equivalent Jade token I'll be getting is 0.180897 Jade token I'll be getting. So now I'll click on swap. Now it will take us to this section for us to confirm the swap, so I click on swap. Now once you click on confirm swap, you just need to wait for confirmation. Then you input your passcode or your fingerprint to confirm the transaction, and in a few minutes you will see my Jade wallet as 0.18106 Jade and my BSC wallet as 0.009, which worth about $5. You understand? So now you have successfully bought Jade token on Trust Wallet. Now the next thing to do is to stake your Jade token to earn passive income. And for you to stake your Jade token, you are not going back to your browser. You just need to go back to your dApps. You understand? Then click on Jade Protocol.io. Now once you go to Jade Protocol official website on your Trust Wallet, you just need to click on this Ethereum sign at the top right corner, then put it on Smart Chain, then wait for it to load up. Automatically it will connect your wallet. You understand? So by the time you click on this menu tab at the top left corner, you will see your address below the Jade Protocol design. Now still on this section, you just need to click on stake. Since you have already bought Jade token, you click on stake. it will take you to this section, you understand. When you start staking, you will see your balance reward, which is your earnings. And if you look below, you will see ROI, which is return on investment. And as you can see, it is 20.9%, you understand. This means that if you stake $100 worth of Jade token, after 5 days, you'll be given 20%, you understand. And the 20% of $100 is $20 in 5 days, and it also applies to $1,000. That means in 5 days you are getting $200, you understand. And as you can see, the current APY is 107.3 million percent APY, you understand. So you just need to click on approve. Now since it's on BSC, you are paying little amount of fees, so you click on approve, then you approve it. Now once you approve it, you just need to put the amount at which you want to stake. As for me, I'll be staking everything, so I click on maximum, then I click stake Jade, you understand. Then you are going to pay little amount of fee again, which was around $0.63. So I click on approve, then authorize payment, then boom, it has staked successfully. Now as you can see, my stake was successful and automatically I'm already earning $3, you understand, as you can see. And if you want to unstake, you can just put it on the unstake tab, you understand, then approve it again for it to unstake. I recommend you do it instantly so that when you want to remove your money, it will take shorter time than you expected. So you click on approve, then authorize transaction, then you can now unstake your token. Now once you approve it for unstaking, you just need to click on the amount at which you want to unstake, then click on unstake. Then once you unstake your Jade Protocol, it will reflect back to your Jade Protocol wallet. Then you go back to Pancakeswap and swap to BSC, which is BNB. Then you send from Trust Wallet to your Binance account or to any exchange at all. You can watch that video at the top right corner to understand how to trade on Binance peer-to-peer. Make sure to use the comment section for your compliment and all your questions, as you get reply instantly. And don't forget, I'll be dropping more updates like this, so make sure you have subscribed and turn on notifications so that you always get notified first anytime I drop this kind of mind-blowing content. As this will be it for this video. Thank you for watching and see you on my next video.